Good morning. It's February 5th. Nicole Ramos here again in Tijuana at the West Port of Entry, which borders San Ysidro, California, where asylum seekers must turn themselves in to request asylum. Once again, we have another Mexican woman who was illegally rejected by CBP and told the usual things that they are told, that Mexicans don't qualify for asylum, that if she persisted in her asylum claim, that the next time she came back, it was going to be a deportation. Thankfully, my client didn't sign anything, but they just kicked her out anyway. Well, this happened in less than 24 hours once again, despite me sending a G28 to the supervisor email and handing it to a supervisor indicating that she is represented by counsel. They are violating human rights day in and day out. We are calling upon other attorneys, other human rights observers, people who care about refugees to come down to the southern border and assist us in accompanying asylum seekers and monitoring these repeated human rights abuses. I had a conversation with a supervisor this morning who told me that they will decide if she's eligible for anything. Wrong. You're not going to decide if she's eligible for anything because that's not your job function. Your job function under Title 8 of the United States Code, Section 1225, in case you forgot it, is to refer the asylum seeker to an asylum officer for a credible fear interview, during which time she will be detained by ICE. CBP is not the arbiter of asylum claims. Unclear why you guys don't get that. Also unclear why you keep asking my clients how much I'm charging them. I know it's really inconceivable that someone would not charge asylum seekers to exercise their right to seek asylum under domestic and international law, but I'm not charging them. If I was charging them, I'd be rich and wouldn't be driving around an 18-year-old car. So get it through your heads, I'm not charging anyone. Get it through your heads, you don't decide on asylum claims. Get it through your heads, Mexicans can qualify for asylum, and you don't have the right to intimidate them into signing papers and accepting removal from the U.S. They have a right to a credible fear interview. You guys need to stop playing around because I've already been in contact with the UNHCR. I've already been in contact with Amnesty International. They already have all the evidence I've collected, including all of your names. So unclear what it is you guys are failing to understand. I'm not going away. None of us are going away. We are not alone, and we are going to keep coming back until you guys learn to follow the law which you swore to uphold. Or do you not remember what you swore to when you took this job? Yes, you are a law enforcement officer. Yes, you are charged with guarding the ports of entry and keeping out dangerous things and people. Asylum seekers are not dangerous. They're running for their lives and they have a right to a credible fear interview with an asylum officer. You, on the other hand, do not have the right to decide what is a good asylum claim and who can qualify for asylum. So why don't you get it together and do your job? And also, while we're at it, stop intimidating my asylum seeker. Stop telling them I'm a liar. Stop telling them I'm a troublemaker. Stop accusing them that I must be charging. I am only a troublemaker because I'm here monitoring you guys and taking notes and watching you create violation after violation and reporting on it. So if that's trouble for you, I would go away if you would just do your job. So why don't you just do your job?